So another project here we got going on is we need to do some tree trimming. So this branch was much longer. I've been taking a piece off, 2 or 3 pieces each time I come up by hand because it's easier to control. So it's a good workout. Narrow blade, pretty sharp though. And then I drop them on the ground. You can see 3 of them down there. Just make sure no one's around. So I think what I plan on doing is taking this whole branch off back to there. And then I need to go over and get that dead one right there for sure. And then I need to go up and start getting some of these. And this branch right here is putting a lot on the roof. So I really need to get them out of there. Man, I don't know about that one. That one's going to be a problem. It's over the house so much. I guess if I turn, I might be able to shoot up there, and I don't know. I don't know if I can get over there. See, I can't start cutting here. I can't drop all that onto the roof. I really need to take it out piece by piece. Maybe if I brought the big lift back further, although I brought it back about as far as I could. I don't know, I'll have to look on the ground. We're a long ways up here. I can't really see where the legs could go. But anyways, we need to keep this tree cut back somewhat. Like that branch over there, it's getting low and it's going to go onto that slate. And it's okay in the summer, but in the winter when that freezes and bounces on those slates, that's not good. So ideally, it'd be nice to take this whole limb right out. But it's all going to have to be hand cut. I can't be dropping that onto the roof. These pieces are heavy. This is a beech. This beech is very dense wood. Okay, so much for trimming today. I might cut a couple others, but then my time's up. I need to go and get a shower and get ready for a little campfire tonight. See, the bees are working. We're right up with the roof level. It's really cool up here. We've been higher. We've been up to the chimney. But I was looking at it. So we are fully extended on the bottom. We are not at full height on the second one. And then we got the third that we have not used at all. So the third is going to get us another 12 feet if I remember, something like that. And look how high we are on that, on the dead tree right there. So if we go up full height, it's going to be, and I park right over there next to it, I'm going to get really close to that top. Still, it's going to be kind of scary to drop stuff down, so you can't drop it and hit your lift. I think that's what happened to this lift one time. There was a new leg on it when we purchased it, so that told me something had happened with one leg. And we don't want that to happen again if that's what happened. I don't know. At some point I think that happened. Okay, so let's maybe trim a little bit more, a couple more small pieces, and then call it a day.